So I came across this recipe and I was like, I don't mind if I do. I set my oven to 400, one potato, two potato, some olive oil, then add a little bit of salt so we can give them a little bit of flavor and put them in the oven for about an hour. All right, so for our mix, we got some corn, black beans, cilantro, red onion, and tomatoes. We're gonna cut up all our veggies and then mix them up real good, real good. Then we are going to add seasoning because this is where all the flavor is going to come from. So we want our mix to taste really good. You're going to add your black beans. I cook mine and the cooked corn and then mix all that up together. Then I made a vegan ranch with these ingredients. You know, to each his own. You ain't got to use ranch. You can go get you a vegan sour cream at the store, whatever you want to do. But I want to use vegan ranch. Then I got an avocado. Mashed it up a little bit, added some seasoning. Then, when the potatoes was done, I mashed it up with a fork. You don't really got to do that. You can just do a split down the middle and then add in your stuffing. Top it with your avocado. Drizzle it with some ranch. Y'all, this right here is bomb.